Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn important inbuilt Python string methods. We already know that a string is a sequence of characters like a name, a sentence, or any kind of text. But here's the cool part. Every string in Python has a set of built-in methods that make working with text super easy. These are like ready-made tools that can help you change the case, search, split, clean up, or even format your strings. So in this lecture, we'll look at real code examples that show you how to use these string methods. We'll go to PyCharm, write the code together, and run the output. Let's go. Right-click your project folder, choose New, then select Python file. Let's name it String Methods Demo. Now we'll go step by step, one method at a time. Let's begin with the lower method. This method is used to convert all the characters in a string to lowercase. It's commonly used in text comparison. For example, when you are checking if two usernames match and you want to ignore upper or lower case, so let's type original equals within double quotes hello world. This creates a string named original and stores the value hello world with mixed uppercase and lowercase letters. Now we want to convert this string to lowercase. We type lowered equals original dot lower open and close brackets. This line will take the original string and return a lowercase version of it, and we're storing that in the variable called lowered. Let's print it. Print open brackets within double quotes lowercase colon, then comma, then lowered close brackets. This will display the lowercase version of the string. Let's run the program and see the output. Hello world, everything has been changed to lowercase. Next, the upper method. Just like lower, this method is used to convert every letter in a string to uppercase. It's useful when you want to display something in all caps like titles or warnings. Let's type upper equals original dot upper open and close brackets. This takes the same string and converts it to uppercase. Now print it. Print open brackets within double quotes uppercase colon, then comma, then upward close brackets. Let's run the program and see the output. Hello world. This shows hello world in all capital letters. Now let's explore the strip method. This method is used to remove any unwanted spaces from the beginning and end of a string. This is really useful when you take input from users. Sometimes users add spaces by mistake, and strip helps clean that up. Let's type messy equals within double quotes 2 spaces, then Python, then 2 spaces. This string contains the word Python, but with extra spaces on both sides. Now we clean it. Cleaned equals messy dot strip open and close brackets. Now print open brackets within double quotes after strip colon, comma, cleaned close brackets. Now let's run the program and see the output. Python. This displays the word Python with no leading or trailing spaces. Next up, the replace method. The replace method is used to replace part of a string with something else. It's very useful when you need to modify text dynamically. For example, replacing Java with Python in a sentence. Let's type text equals within double quotes Java is powerful. Now let's replace Java with Python. We type updated equals text dot replace open brackets within quotes Java, comma, within quotes Python, close brackets. Then we print open brackets within double quotes after replace colon, comma, updated close brackets. Let's run the program and you can see the output. Python is powerful. Next, the split method. This method is used to split a string into multiple parts, usually by spaces. This is super handy when you want to break a sentence into words. Let's type sentence equals within double quotes. Python is easy to learn. Now let's split it into words. We type words equals sentence dot split open and close brackets. Now print open brackets within double quotes split result colon, comma, words close brackets. This will return a list of words from the sentence. Everything worked exactly as expected. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll continue exploring powerful inbuilt Python string methods. Let's begin. Let's start with the find method. This method helps us find where a word or phrase appears inside a string. It returns the index of the first match. If it doesn't find the text, it returns -1. Let's type a string. Let's create a variable named text and assign it the value within double quotes. Learning Python is fun. Now we want to find where the word Python starts in this sentence. So let's create a variable called position, then equals text, then call the find method. Say dot find. Inside the brackets, type within double quotes Python. Let's print the result. Type print within brackets, then within double quotes, found at index colon comma, then the variable position. Let's run the program and see the output. It shows 9 because the word Python starts at the 9th character in the sentence. Remember, indexing in Python starts from 0. So L is index 0, E is 1, and P in Python is at index 9. Next, let's see title method. The title method capitalizes the first letter of every word in a string. It's useful when formatting names or headings. Let's create a variable named heading and set it to within double quotes welcome to Python programming. Now apply the title method. Create a new variable called formatted equals heading dot title. Let's print it. Type print within brackets, then within double quotes title case colon comma, and then the variable formatted. Let's run the program and see the output. We get welcome to Python programming. Each word's first letter is now capitalized, which makes the text look like a proper heading or book title. Next, let's see capitalize method. The capitalize method is a bit different. It only capitalizes the first letter of the entire string and makes the rest lowercase. Let's create a variable called msg and assign it within double quotes hello world. Now let's apply the capitalize method. Make a new variable named cleaned equals msg, then dot capitalize with brackets. Now print it. Type print within brackets, then within double quotes capitalize string colon comma, then cleaned. Let's run the program and see the output. It prints hello world. Only the first letter H is uppercase and the rest including world becomes lowercase. This is often used to make sentence like strings look clean and grammatically correct. Next, let's see starts with method. The starts with method checks if a string begins with a certain value. It returns either true or false. Let's make a string variable called greeting equals within double quotes hello everyone. Now let's check if it starts with the word hello. We type print within brackets greeting dot starts with within brackets within double quotes hello. Now try with another word. Print within brackets greeting dot starts with within brackets within double quotes hi. Let's run the program and see the output. The first one returns true because the string does begin with hello. The second one returns false since the string does not start with hi. Next, let's see ends with method. The ends with method checks if a string ends with a specific word. Again, it returns true or false. Let's reuse the same string greeting equals hello everyone. Now check if it ends with everyone. Type print greeting dot ends with within brackets within double quotes everyone. Now test with another word. Print greeting dot ends with within brackets within double quotes hello. Let's run the program and see the output. We get true for everyone because the string ends exactly with that word, and we get false for hello since that word appears at the start, not at the end. Let's quickly recap what we learned. The find method helps locate where a word appears inside a string. The title method capitalizes the first letter of every word. The capitalize method capitalizes only the first letter of the entire sentence. The starts with and ends with methods check whether a string begins or ends with a specific value. These 5 methods are super handy when working with user input, sentence formatting, and string analysis. In the next lesson, we'll continue with more string methods. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning. Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning more powerful Python string methods. Let's begin with the count method. The count method tells you how many times a specific word or letter appears inside a string. It's great for analyzing user input, keywords, or repeating text. Let's create a string. We'll name it sentence and assign within double quotes. Python is easy. Python is powerful. Python is popular. Now let's count how many times the word Python appears. Create a variable named count equals sentence dot count within brackets within double quotes at the string Python. Now print it. Type print within brackets within double quotes total count colon comma count. Let's run the program and see the output. It returns 3 because the word Python appears 3 times in the sentence. Next, let's see the isAlpha method. This method checks if the entire string contains only alphabets, no numbers, no symbols, not even spaces. It returns true or false. Let's test this. Create a variable called name and set it to within double quotes Python. Now type print within brackets name.isAlpha. Now let's try another string with a number. Make a new variable mixed equals within double quotes Python 3. Now print within brackets mixed.isAlpha. Let's run the program and see the output. The first one returns true since Python has only letters. The second one returns false because Python 3 includes a number. Next, let's see the isDigit method. This method checks if a string contains only digits, no letters or symbols. It's very useful for validating age, roll numbers, or numeric input. Let's create a variable num equals within double quotes 2025. Now type print within brackets num.isDigit within brackets. Now test with letters. Create bad input equals within double quotes year 2025. Now print bad input.isDigit within brackets. Let's run the program and check the result. The first one returns true because 2025 is all digits. The second one returns false because it includes letters. Next, let's see the isAlnum method. This method checks if the string is alphanumeric, meaning it only contains letters and numbers, no special characters and no spaces. Let's try this. Type code equals within double quotes abc123. Now check print code.isAlnum within brackets. Now test another one. Set value equals within double quotes abc123. Now type print value.isAlnum within brackets. Let's run the program. The first one returns true. It has only letters and digits. The second one returns false because of the space between letters and numbers. Now let's see the join method. The join method takes a list of strings and combines them into one using a separator you choose. It's the opposite of the split method. Let's create a list. So type words equals open square bracket within double quotes Python comma is comma awesome close square bracket. Now join these using a space. Result equals within double quotes space dot join within brackets words. Now print it. Type print within brackets result. Let's run the program and see the output. It returns Python is awesome. All the words are combined into one sentence with spaces in between. Let's quickly review what we learned. Count tells you how often something appears in a string. isAlpha checks if the string has only alphabets. isDigit returns true only if the string is completely numeric. isAlnum accepts only letters and numbers, no spaces or symbols. Join lets you combine a list of words into one string using your own separator. Keep practicing and see you in the next one.